Hi everyone, this is Lawrence from Hollyland. Today we're going to introduce the basic operations of the new Lark C1 wireless microphone. But before that, we'd like to introduce the new and cool color versions of the Lark M1. We've now got violet, rosy pink, ivory, mint, including the black, altogether 5 colors. The Lark C1 is a perfect choice for easily capturing crisp audio at distances of up to 650 feet, featuring Hollyland's advanced sound processing technologies and an ultra-compact premium wireless lavalier microphone design. It can be directly plugged into a mobile phone for up to 32 hours of audio recording. Packed with a wide range of simplified operations, you can count on an unparalleled all-day recording experience. The new Hollyland Lark C1 is available in both iOS and Android versions. The iOS version is designed with an MFi-certified Lightning interface, making the digital audio more reliable and of higher quality. The only discerning difference between the two versions is simply the interface on the receiver that is directly plugged into the phone. An at-a-glance status indicator turns a steady blue color once the receiver is successfully connected to the transmitter. When the receiver is disconnected from the transmitter, it flashes blue. The receiver can also be connected to a power source via the USB Type-C charging interface to charge your phone during operation. The transmitter automatically turns on after it is taken out of the charging case, and it can be easily clipped onto a shirt or jacket. The Lark C1 is designed with a noise cancellation function that can be easily enabled with the press of the yellow button on the transmitter. After the function is enabled, the status indicator on the transmitter turns steady green. The charging case features new indicators for its battery status and charging status. For example, if only one battery status indicator light is illuminated, the battery level of its charging case is 25%. If the charging status indicator is flashing, the charging case is in the charging state. If the charging status indicator is steady, the charging case is fully charged. It takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge the charging case. By default, the transmitter and receiver are paired with each other before shipping. If the transmitter and receiver are disconnected from each other, manually pairing them is easy. After the receiver is connected to the phone, press and hold the pairing button on both the transmitter and receiver for about 3 seconds. When the status indicator on both the transmitter and receiver turns steady blue, they are successfully paired with each other. First, plug the receiver directly into the phone. Second, to charge your phone during operation, simply connect power to the receiver through the USB-C charging interface. Again, I'm Lawrence. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial for the Lark C1. If you have any questions about it, please leave us a comment. See you next time.